Welcome to another episode of Lance Cook's Money Tips, where you'll discover insider secrets on how to save time, energy, and money when it comes to buying, selling, refinancing, renovating, and maintaining your home. In this episode, we'll discuss your credit score, what is it, and how is it calculated. Have you ever wondered what your credit score is or how it's calculated? Here's the skinny. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that lenders use to predict your credit worthiness. Credit reporting companies calculate your score based on your payment history, how much you owe, how long you've had credit, and how often you apply for new credit. In general, the higher your score, the less likely you are to become delinquent on credit. If it's above 650, you'll probably qualify for a standard loan. If it's lower, you may have trouble getting new credit. Because your credit score and credit report are constantly changing, it's important to review them on a regular basis, at least once a year. Since there are two main credit reporting companies in Canada, Equifax and TransUnion, it's a good idea to check your records with both companies. This helps you identify and correct any inaccurate information, detect any fraudulent activity, and gauge your overall credit health. If you're planning on applying for a mortgage, it's especially important to check your credit a few months in advance. If your credit score is a little low, here are 5 tips for improving it. Tip number 1. Pay all your bills on time. Paying late or going into collection can reduce your score. Tip number 2. Don't max out your credit limits. Keeping balances below 65 to 75% of your limit can increase your score. Tip number 3. Don't apply for credit you don't need. Too many inquiries over a short period can reduce your score. Tip number 4. Don't close old credit accounts even if they're inactive. This can make your credit history appear shorter, which can reduce your score. Tip number 5. Correct any negative inaccuracies on your credit report. This can increase your score. Still wondering what your credit score is and how to improve it? You can also find much more information on how your credit file works by going to our website, www.canadasbestmortgage.com, and clicking on the Ultimate Home Buyer's Video Guide. As an added value service, we offer our clients a free credit review and credit booster consultation, which has a value of $97. To see if you qualify for this special offer, call us today at 1-877-593-7738. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Lance Cook's Money Tips. If you have any questions or comments, please call Lance Cook today at 1-877-593-7738. Thank you and have a great day.